Welcome everyone. So yes, many people failed while solving this kind of a question. Now what happens over here is if you don't have sound knowledge of indices or rather laws of indices, then you might end up make great mistakes while solving these kind of sums. So let's try and use laws of indices, at least the ones which are going to be very helpful for us to solve these kind of questions. Now, one very basic important rule of law indices is what a raised to m into n can also be written as what a raised to m the whole raised to n. So now here this 16, I can very well write this 16 or 4 raised to 16 as what 4 raised into 4. So from here I can write this as what 4 raised to 4 the whole raised to 4, right? So basically now instead of this 4 raised to 16, I will write 4 raised to 4 the whole raised to 4, and I also have 16 raised to 4. Now see, understand, in indices when you have a raised to m upon b raised to m, if both of them are raised to the same index just over here, okay, so here we can directly put them under a fraction and raise it to the same index. So here I can very well say this looks like 4 raised to 4 upon 16 the whole raised to 4. Okay. Now what happens over here is, see, 4 raised to 4 is nothing but what, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay. And here we have 16. Now what we can do, everything is still raised to what, 4. Now what we can do is we can cancel these 4 and this 4, because 4 into 4 gets you 16. So basically you are now left with 4 into 4, that gets you what, again 16 raised to 4. Okay. This, my dear friends, is the answer for this particular question. Yes, if this was the option, yes, you would have marked this, or the option could have also been 256 raised to 2. Now, why is that? Because, see, 256 is nothing but what, 16 square. The whole raised to 2 again gets you basically 16 raised to 4. Okay. So, basically, we can say both of these are one and the same. Okay. So, either of the two, whatever is given in your options, you should mark that answer. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.